Hey, what's up, guys? This is your girl Tracy with Treseysworld, your soberologist, and it is dry January. That means a lot of people are choosing not to drink for the month of January. But there's so much more to that, and you know what? We're going to talk about it today. So make sure you stay tuned. Check out this video. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is more informational because I thought, there's a lot of confusion with different terms, and I know a lot of people, as I stated, is trying to abstain from drinking during the month of January. So I thought I would share with you what some of those terms mean in regards to alcoholic versus non-alcoholic and what you should look for when buying a drink. Okay, so let's get into it. So I have been guilty of saying I don't drink and I don't consume large amounts of alcohol, which I don't. But the truth is that there is alcohol in many of our regular drinks, juices, fruits, breads, you name it. And many people that are practicing dry January, are looking at labels and looking to see that non-alcoholic or alcohol-free title listed on the drink. So I just wanted everyone to know, especially those that have some type of issue with alcohol, that some of the non-alcoholic products do contain alcohol. So alcohol-free drinks in the U.S. means that it has less than 0.05% ABV. De-alcoholized drinks are drinks where the alcohol has been removed, it's been extracted. And again, there's not more than, I believe that one is 0.5%, okay? And then there's low alcohol. Low alcohol is a drink that has some alcohol. So the truth is, drinks labeled as alcohol-free can still contain alcohol, just lower amounts. And some people will bypass on non-alcoholic drinks because of that, for whatever reason. If you do have a sensitivity to alcohol, or there's some issue or some personal preference of why you're abstaining, then that's definitely your personal preference. But just know that fruit juices, fruits, breads, fruit juices, fruits, and breads have more. Sometimes they have more booze in it than non-alcoholic beer. So that Heineken 0.0, that drink has, I think it's 0.03%. Some of these juices, like orange juice, has more than that in it, and we drink it. It's something we drink all the time. Kids drink it, So just keep that in mind when you are, trying to abstain. I'm not telling you to abstain completely, because that's really going to be hard to do. It's just like when some people want to cut out sugar, and sugar is in everything, and then they slap the sugar-free label, and then you still find out there's some type of sweetener in it. It's pretty much the same way. Just to give you an example, I don't want to forget this: vinegar, mustard, bananas. I said orange juice. Some of your favorite drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, they contain some alcohol. I think Pepsi and Coca-Cola contains about 10 in milligrams, which is very small, of alcohol, but in every liter. So just know, in every liter. But it does have little traces of alcohol, minute traces of alcohol. So I just want to make that clear. Grape juice it's a 0.29% through 0.86% ABV. Apple juice 0.06% through 0.66%. Orange juice 0.16% through 0.73%. Bananas, the very ripe bananas with the deep dark zones, are about 0.04%, and ripe pears are 0.04% as well. And then when we get into our wheat rolls, y'all, this is where it gets really interesting. Wheat rolls have 0.14%. Wheat and rye bread, 0.29%. Burger rolls, like the American style burger rolls, is 1.28%. Y'all, that's 1.28%. And yeah, so that's crazy. I just wanted to do this video because I wanted to talk about it. We do our best to, of course, let me say this. This won't get you drunk. Obviously, kids consume these products and these items. So obviously they're not going to cause you to be drunk or cause any issues. But for some that do have a sensitivity somehow, you're going to have to do a lot of research to find drinks that do not have any type of alcohol, because alcohol is in most of the things that we consume, in a lot of the things, not all, but a lot of what we consume. So as I stated before, like Heineken 0.0, I'm going to review that on this channel, maybe the next video. But on its website, and we'll go more into it when I actually review it and taste it. But on its website, I think it says, like I said, it says 0.0, but it actually contains 0.03, which is why they're now being sued by someone in Louisiana, because they're saying it's false, like advertisement or whatever, because it has just a little bit of alcohol in it, even though it's less than what you get in orange juice. We use mouthwash, we use all those other type of things that have alcohol in them. So yeah, so I thought I'd do a video and just kind of let you guys know about that. Yeah, I was looking for drinks and trying to see what's truly alcohol free. I know bitters, sometimes we use like mint bitters and stuff like that. It's alcohol. That's what it is. So it's kind of hard to really find to be 100% alcohol free in a lot of the juices and stuff, and we consume a lot of juices on the show. So I just want to speak to you guys, because I know Soberistic is our channel we pride ourselves on creating alcohol free drinks. But when I say alcohol free, it does not mean that there is no alcohol in the juices. When I say there is no alcohol, I mean we ain't pouring the liquor in there. You know what I'm saying? But whatever the natural flavors are, whatever, like the orange juice, we use orange juice a lot. Orange juice, apple juice. Yeah, it has small traces of alcohol in it. So I don't want anyone to get it twisted. So I want to do this quick video and share that with you. I'm going to go ahead and share the breakdowns right now so you guys can see. I just said it, but so you can physically see like a chart, and you kind of can see, what's what as far as the levels of alcohol, as far as that goes. But I honestly, myself, I don't see anything wrong with you choosing to drink a non-alcoholic drink. A non-alcoholic, if you like beers, get your non-alcoholic beer. If you don't want a beer like a Heineken, a Coors, they make non-alcoholic. There's so many to name. Lagunitas, I'm gonna say it wrong, but California, so that's how I know about that. But their drinks, they make some of their drinks are non-alcoholic. But yeah, just be aware, just non-alcoholic does not mean 100% alcohol free. So I wanted to look at some labels too, and I was looking at I was looking at, like, I like ginger beers. And so I was like, oh, let me see if they really do, see if they are really alcohol free. And so far, the ones that I have gotten have been organic. And I have not seen where there is alcohol in them. But I have to do a little more research on that, but it does not include anything alcoholic in it that I know of. And then there's also energy drinks. People have asked about energy drinks. Does energy drinks like Red Bull, does it have alcohol? I do not see anything saying that energy drinks contain any levels of alcohol, but let me tell you this: energy drinks can have the equivalent effect that alcohol will have on you because of the high levels of caffeine, and it can have the same type of effect. Like, you can like have an energy drink hangover. So be careful on those energy drinks if that's what you choose to consume. I typically don't drink energy drinks on a normal basis, but I know there are some cool mixes and drinks that you can make with Red Bull that I may try later on down the line. But yeah, I'm not really an energy drinker. But I do drink some of my soft drinks, and I'm just surprised, like, to know that they may contain minute, a little bit minute traces of alcohol. Like, that was shocking to me. So I want to drop this knowledge for you so you can be well informed about what you are drinking, and you can make an informed decision. As for myself, like, I will test a non-alcoholic beer on this channel. I don't like beers, so it's going to be really interesting for me to be comparing. I might have to bring in some help for people that really have consumed beer, and they can tell you, like, yeah, this tastes like the real thing. Because I remember tasting beer a long time ago. I never liked it. But yeah, I'm going to compare and compare. I'm going to compare and taste and see, like, if it really does taste like the real thing. And then there are also some wines. I just don't believe that there are really good alcohol-free wines. I know there's a line of alcohol-free wines, but we really have to test these out and see if the flavor is there, because it's all about the flavor, right? And then, of course, there's an alcohol, alternatives for tequila, vodka, whatever you can think of, there's an alternative for it, because a lot of people are choosing not to drink for whatever reason it is. So it's great to know that there are alternatives out there for everyone, and I think I saw a Facebook post where someone was letting their kids turn up on a New Year's Eve with the Stella Rose non-alcoholic drinks, and they have like the different flavors, the peach and I forgot all the flavors, but they have like 3 different flavors, but it's some in there, but it's not enough to get you drunk. Even when you think about little kids, they drink orange juice, they eat bananas, they drink apple juice, and all of those things contain alcohol, and they're kids. But it's just such a small amount that it does not make them, it doesn't make them drunk. Hopefully it's not making them drunk. Because my nephew loves his bananas, so now I'm like thinking, like, is he reacting to the bananas a little bit? I don't know. But I'm gonna have to look forward to that too. But I just want you guys to be informed, and when I do these shows, I do say that drinks are non-alcoholic, or they're alcohol free, and what I mean is they contain some of them are genuinely alcohol free. They don't contain any alcohol. Some, depending on what type of juices I use, may contain traces of alcohol, as we have learned that some of the juices do contain alcohol, just plain juice. I'm not talking about any type of sparkling juice. I'm talking about plain orange juice, plain, apple juice, that type of stuff. So there you have it, So I hope you guys got a little bit of information today. Let me know that you're watching these videos by dropping me a comment. Please let me know if you have any questions about distinguishing between non-alcoholic, alcohol-free, de-alcoholized, and I forgot what the other one was, low alcohol. Let me know if there are any questions. I'll be happy to answer it. It's just something that I've been researching and studying up on. I'm not an expert by any means. I kind of Google and search and read up on things so that I can be aware of it as well. because I didn't know before, like the mint bitters that I bought, it said non-alcoholic, and our research was like no alcohol. Then it was like, oh, is probably as much alcohol in it as it is in your toothpaste or something. I was like, what? So yeah, I wasn't aware. So we're still gonna keep the channel, you know, celebrating non-alcoholic drinks. That's what we do. For this portion of the channel, any of the soberistic videos are videos about drinks, whether we create them. Just know, again, a lot of your mocktails and virgin drinks may contain small traces of alcohol, but whether we create them or we buy them pre-made, that's what it is. So that's it today, guys. Make sure you head on over to our Instagram page at Soberistic, and make sure you follow us and tag us in any drinks that you happen to make or taste or want us to taste. Comment below on drinks you want us to try or any ideas you may have for, you know, for future shows for us and future videos. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Listen, if you are not a subscriber and you are stopping by, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by. You're welcome to come by anytime you want to. Okay, the door is always open. But we would love for you to subscribe. And all my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the channel, for watching the videos. Make sure you turn on those notifications so that you know whenever we post a new video. All right, and y'all listen, go follow me on all of my social media links, which will be in the description. And I'll also list the chart or the percentages in the description so you guys can have something to refer to when you're going out to shop for dry January. All right, have a wonderful day. Go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. Bye.